Hi, today I'm gonna show you how to make rosemary apple bacon biscuits. I made these to go with a tomato basil bisque that I made last week. So if you wanna find that recipe, go to my video from last week and check it out. But for these biscuits, you will need white cheddar as well as bacon, rosemary, and apples. You might think that this combination is kind of crazy, but believe me, these biscuits are probably one of the best biscuits that I've ever tasted. Rosemary is an herb related to basil, oregano, or marjoram. Rosemary was considered sacred to ancient Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans. Fresh or dried leaves of rosemary are used especially in Mediterranean cuisine. Rosemary is full of vitamins and some minerals. Rosemary is used in some other areas besides cooking, for example in cosmetics. And that's where my video ends today. I hope you like this recipe. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. You can also find me on Instagram as BORA'S Kitchens, and I'll see you next time.